In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Zoho Mail. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger organization, having a reliable and efficient email service is crucial. Let's walk through the process to get you set up with Zoho Mail. First, because we're operating in this role as the super admin, you'll want to start by heading over to your admin console. This is your hub for managing everything related to your Zoho account. Once you've logged in, you'll see various options, but for today's task, focus on one, the subscription or overview section. It's here that you can see your current plans, usage details, and all things related to your subscription. This is your starting point when you need to make any changes, upgrades, or even manage your licenses. Now, within this section, you'll notice an option to upgrade or change plan. Give that a click. It's here where the real customization begins, allowing you to choose a plan that fits your needs perfectly. Zoho Mail offers a few different plans, so take a moment to consider what you require. There's the light plan for basic needs, the premium option if you require more features, or the workplace suite if you want a full spectrum of tools integrated into one neat package. Once you have a sense of which plan suits your business the best, the next step is to decide how many licenses you need. Simply put, this is the number of users you intend to provide access to within Zoho Mail. Think about your current team size and potential for growth so you can adequately plan ahead without needing constant adjustments. Additionally, while you're in this selection phase, consider if you need any storage add-ons. Depending on your email usage and data retention policies, extra storage can be invaluable. After you've made your selections, the next section helps you breathe easy, as you're given a comprehensive review of the pricing based on your choices. It's a smart idea to double-check everything here, ensuring that you've configured the most beneficial plan for your unique circumstances. Once confirmed, the process takes us to the last leg: payment. Zoho Mail simplifies this with Zoho Payments, accommodating options like credit cards and PayPal for your convenience. It's an intuitive and secure process designed to ensure that you have peace of mind while handling transactions. So go ahead, make the payment, and finish the setup. You should now have a good understanding of how to purchase and configure Zoho Mail according to your specific needs. This setup ensures that you've empowered your team with a robust email service that's ready to handle communications efficiently. Thanks for following along, and feel free to look out for more helpful content like this.